If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic. In this video, we wanted to discuss with you Tether's unconventional mining play. And let's see what happens when digital dollars beat ancient gold. The world's largest stablecoin companies deploying billions in crypto profits to corner the gold market. And traditional miners don't really know what to make of it. Let's try and understand the philosophy behind this strategy. Now, Tether's CEO has been vocal about his unconventional perspective on the relationship between digital assets and the precious metals. Rather than subscribing to the popular notion that Bitcoin is digital gold, the CEO has flipped narrative entirely. In his view, gold represents the natural Bitcoin, humanity's original decentralized store of value that has maintained purchasing power across millennia without requiring any government backing or technological infrastructure. While most crypto companies focus on disrupting traditional finance, Tether is embracing and investing in one of the humanity's oldest financial instruments. Let's now move on to numbers, and the numbers are telling a compelling story. Tether's financial position provides the foundation for this ambiguous strategy. The company generated a staggering $5.7 billion in profits during the first half of 2024, more than many established multinational corporations earning in an entire year. This cash generation machine has enabled Tether to accumulate significant real-world assets. $8.7 billion in physical gold bars serving as additional collateral for its stablecoin operations, $205 million invested in gold royalty companies, billions in commodity trade finance providing short-term financing for raw material shipments, and active discussions with multiple mining companies, investment groups, and royalty firms across the gold supply chain. Let's now turn our attention to the broader implications. Now, Tether's gold strategy is raising fascinating questions about the future of digital asset companies and their role in traditional markets. As crypto companies mature and accumulate substantial profits, they face the same challenge as any cash-rich corporation: how to deploy capital effectively while maintaining growth and diversification. Now, let's look at some strategic questions and challenges. There are several critical questions that are emerging from Tether's gold ambitions. First and foremost, the scale and impact. With billions that are available in capital, Tether has the resources to become a significant player in the gold markets. Next come the regulatory considerations. As Tether expands into traditional financial markets, it may face increased scrutiny from regulators who are already examining stablecoin operations closely. Thirdly, we have the market dynamics. If other major cryptocurrency companies follow Tether's lead, what impact might this have on gold prices and mining valuations? And lastly, there is cultural integration to think of. Can a crypto company's fast-moving, technology-driven culture successfully integrate the deliberate, relationship-based world of mining operations? Tether's gold strategy represents more than just corporate diversification. It is a statement about the maturing of the cryptocurrency industry. The company faces significant challenges in bridging two very different industries, each with their own customs, their risk profiles, and operational requirements. Traditional miners' skepticism may prove well-founded, Tether struggles to adapt the digital native approach to the realities of the physical asset management. We hope that you've enjoyed the preview edition of this topic. If you like this edition and you want to know more about the topic and understand it in detail, head on to pallavisehgal.com to see the full video on the topic.